Einride SCALE project. Always looking for new technologies to integrate. Many experts predict that this year we'll see a lot of smart systems being introduced. In other words, robots will be helping people out. One exciting project in this field is SCALE, developed by top specialists from Toyota and the University of Gothenburg. The goal is to create and test ways to automate and improve the efficiency of handling goods. To do this, they're using automated forklifts from Toyota warehouses, and instead of regular trucks, they're using electric vehicles from Einride that are authorized to operate on US roads. These vehicles can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. SmithCo makes trailers that tip Pavelli STV, as they're the world's leading company in customized trailers. Over the past 40 years, they've expanded their supply chains from their home country Italy to America and Asia. Their extra model can carry a payload of 23 tons. Pavelli also offers unique solutions such as trailers with a sliding structure that adds 3M to the overall length, and a rear axle unit that can be aligned vertically when the ramp opens up. After this transformation, drivers of machinery with low ground clearance can breathe a sigh of relief. Let's take a look at the fire. Eskes Cleaning Festival can produce as much trash as a city of the same size would in an entire year. It might be hard to believe, but at British outdoor festivals alone, thousands of broken tents are left behind and need to be cleaned up. That's where Eskes Cleaning comes in. They specialize in cleaning up after events and bring in not only employees but also special machinery, including the Hermanis. This machine works like a vacuum cleaner and has powerful magnets that pick up everything from screws to tent pegs all at once. The logistics industry worldwide is $120T OMARS recovery truck are a perfect match. The resulting hybrid works as a tow truck, but it's so impressive that it could easily be the star of any motor show. It's not every day you see an 8x8 vehicle with a 480 horsepower. Engine that can tow up to 50 tons, and if that's not enough, it also has a built-in crane that can lift trucks or other vehicles weighing up to 15 tons. Plus, it has 7 hydraulic winches that can pull a vehicle out of a ditch using its total tractive power of 210 tons. SmithCo CP30. They're load sideways, which might seem simple, but it actually has a lot of benefits with this design. Unloading materials like gravel, sand, and other bulk items takes much less time. It also makes it easier to handle special loads. Like fallen trees or boulders, the standard CP30 trailer has a capacity of 30 tons, but if that's not enough, you can connect and tow up to 3 trailers at once. SmithCo also uses low press tires on their trailers, and another great feature is that you can Tip the load to either the left or right. Side the man, TGs, and OMARS recovery. Dutchman. Trucks is compact, powerful, and of unmatched quality. These trucks are specifically designed for transplanting trees. To achieve this, the engineers created special STE beaks and developed methods to cold form blades. They also passed a multi-stage cylinder that ensures a constant blade speed. Throughout the range, despite being smaller in size, these trucks can compete with bulkier models in terms of efficiency. For instance, the 277 cm high beak is just as effective as its 371 cm counterpart. Robo autonomous solution. Will loader operators watch out? Robots are taking over. Robo and DH Technologies have developed a fully autonomous electric loader that can work all day without a break. Significantly increased productivity, plus it can run on natural gas, leading to even more savings compared to a traditional forklift with a human driver. This new product can save up to $6,450 per year. This is especially important considering that a British media company reported that around 80% of contractors are experiencing a shortage of skilled labor. Have you noticed those vehicles in Bergmann Dumper? Bergmann engineers have shown that it's possible to have a dumper that's efficient, agile, and comfortable all at the same time. They've developed several machines based on an articulated frame that are quite impressive. The driver sits in an air-conditioned cab and can swivel on their seat to control loading and unloading. With precision if needed, the body can also rotate 180 degrees during the process. The C815S version can transport up to 12 tons at once, and the flexibility of the frame is enhanced by a ground clearance of 429 mm or 424 mm. Brock SL 280. Your city that wash the streets and collect garbage. They're becoming more advanced every year. This particular one is a Mercedes-Benz and has two tanks, one that holds 1,600 L of water and another that can hold 7 cubic m of garbage. On its way to the landfill, the cleaning staff stays comfortable with air conditioning, and when it comes to being environmentally friendly, this vehicle meets the €5. FAYMONVILLE HighwayMAX. The creators of this trailer call it a workhorse for heavy haulers, but that's an understatement. This 9-axle monster stretches up to 27 m and can support almost 13 tons. That's nearly twice the weight of an M1 Abrams tank, which weighs around 57 tons. Plus, all of the trailer wheels can rotate plus or minus 60 degrees. The tests of the suspension chassis and other components look like they're preparing equipment to be sent to Mars, but while the red planet is far away, parts for huge wind turbines, old locomotives and other heavy loads are much closer, the Dutchman team describes them.